Okay, so now I'm going to start row 2, and this is the one that has the single crochet color changes. I've already got my bobbins laid out for me, and I just finished row 1, which is a solid color. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the first couple to show you, and then I'm going to stop it, I'm going to finish it, and then I'll create the second video with the bobbles. So let me go ahead and get set up here. Okay. So I finished the last bobble row by ending it with a single crochet. I'm going to chain 1. And now I have to do 1 bobble in white. So I'm going to do a single crochet in the one I just finished and a single crochet over the bobble. Now I need to do a color change. So I'm going to leave the second single crochet on my hook, pull that forward, and I'm going to grab my new color, which for this one is going to be the shade of black, and I'm using gray, and you pull that on, give it a good tug, and then I have to do 2 single crochets. I'm going to do a single crochet in single crochet spot, oops, try that again, single crochet in the single crochet spot, and a single crochet over the bobble spot. Now I'm crocheting over that gray because it's just part of it. So there's a platform for 1 bobble. Now this calls for a total of 8 bobble setups, which 8 times 1, 2 is 16. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do 16 of these single crochets. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, make sure I'm getting the chain, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, now it's going to ask for a color change. It's going to say go to 4 bobble setups for B, which is going to be my bright. And 4 is basically 2 sets of single crochet, so it's going to be a total 8. So I'm going to pull my color change, I'm going to snug this one, pull this one a little tight, and I'm going to leave this tail because I'm going to now crochet over the tail. So like I said, 4 in sets of 2. So here's 1, 2, there's my first one, and then 1, 2, there's my second, 1, 2, there's my third, and then 1, 2, there's my fourth. Then what's going to happen now is I'm just going to continue the pattern that it's calling for, and I'm going to do my color change. So if you look at this, I have 2 single crochets which represent 1 bobble. Then I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, did I do that wrong? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 of 2 single crochets, which represents 8. And then 2, 4, 6, 8. This would be a color change here. Let me lock that one in. And that represents 4. So I'm going to stop it here. I'm going to finish this row, and then I'm going to flip it and show you how I